Hey guys, it's beautiful Friday morning here in Beijing and we packed up huge luggage and we are going to a new adventure to Bali.
Bali, here we come!
So before we go to the first part of our trip, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. Let's go!
The lipstick here.
Oh my god. This girl has a problem. Have you ever heard about someone who's going to the pharmacy just for shopping because he or she wants new medicine? I've never heard something like that.
Logic here is much cheaper.
She had a problem. A problem. First day in Bali and we woke up pretty late because we went to sleep pretty late. We arrived at around 2 a.m. after a very long queue in the passport control yesterday, and until we got a taxi and everything we arrived at around 2 a.m. So it's now like 12, like midday, and we're going to explore the place for the first time. Very excited. That's Jess afraid of the monkeys. She's afraid of the monkeys. Don't worry.
I'm not afraid, I just want something to give to them to eat.
Jess is afraid of the monkeys. to Tegallalang rice terraces. Entrance here is for free. You can have some activities around that you can do for extra payment, like those swings that you see above me. Those swings. No, like those. Okay, never mind. And yeah, it's really beautiful here. Very, very green. And you can just stroll around, take photos. It's really nice here. Check it out. Day here in Ubud. We decided to take this day more easy, and we're not gonna explore too much today, just gonna chill out. We find a really nice place. Jess is very happy. We find a very nice place for breakfast. It has a very nice view and a pool you can see behind me, and yeah, it looks very, very fancy and nice. We're gonna be served two different kind of dishes, like two courses, one sweet, one savory. Yeah, maybe later we're gonna go to a waterfall that it's not too far. So one waterfall was pretty nice, very massive, like the stream is very strong. Too many people and too touristic for me, but still worth to come, I think. Maybe it's better to come like early in the morning or late in the afternoon, so to avoid a big crowd. But yeah.